Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 30 May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 11.5 points up move at the level of 11,875. Yes, yesterday SGX Nifty was around 11,910 or something when I actually did the pre-open analysis. Yesterday I told you that Indian markets will open in red. So did it happen. It opened 22 points lower as expected. So let's see what Indian markets has to offer in today's session after we see the US markets and SGX Nifty. And US markets have done pretty bad for itself. 221 points down on DowJones, 60 points down on Nasdaq, and 19 points down on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in flat or green in today's pre-open and continue to the open session as well. So Indian markets have done, a negative turn yesterday. It happened to go higher to the level of 11,931 levels. However, it came all the way drastically down to the level of 11,836 and went a bit higher and closed at 11,861 levels. So that is the open, close and high where the market actually happened to close at the end of day. Alright, so that's Indian markets yesterday. And what are the levels of support we have to watch out for? I had told you 11,860 is one level we have to watch out for. Yesterday it took great support at 11,861 levels and it closed at that particular level itself. And if that is breached, the next level of support comes at 11,810 levels, and below that 11,760 levels are the levels of support. If that is also broken, the 11,739 and 11,699 levels are the levels of support. If that is also broken, 11,650, 11,611 and 11,590 levels. And below that we also have the levels of 11,575 and 11,559 to 11,550, which are the levels of support we have to watch out for. So what about this MACD? Suggests we are at 94, whereas exponential is at 42, which means that we have a huge blast of momentum on the positive side. We may go really up from here, but slow stochastic denotes is at 81, which denotes that we are probably entering the overbought zone and we will see some downturn very soon. If at all we enter the overbought zone, nothing yet. So fast stochastic also denotes that we are entering the overbought zone at 85 level. However, we are not in the overbought zone yet. So it is not very much mandatory that we may have to come down in order to go up. So that's the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge and make about 3% to 15% per month and beat the FD returns, click on the first link in the description below. Next week from Monday till Friday, I would be teaching you 5 strategies to make money if the market goes up, market comes down, and market stays in a very stringent sideways zone. However the market is, I would teach you how to hedge your position and make money out of it almost 97% of the time. So that is the knowledge which I would be imparting next week. Click on the first link in the description below for all the details. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies, guys. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.